Hey guys, Floyd here and welcome to my vlog. And for today's episode guys, we're going to unbox this newly dropped Air Jordan 4. This was dropped like a few days ago, August 1st. I've checked it earlier and today is August 3 and it's still available online. So it's still full size run. So guys, do check it out online and maybe you can still cop this one. It's a very good pair. This is the Nike Air Jordan 4 Retro Cool Gray. It was last released back in 2004, so it's been 15 years. Do check it out. It's an OG colorway. I really love this one. So it comes with a standard Air Jordan box with a cement print on it. So it says here Air Jordan 4 Retro Cool Gray Chrome Dark Charcoal. I usually go true to size on Air Jordan 4 and Air Jordan 3s. So let's open it up. Okay. So guys, it comes with this standard plastic bag type of material. It's like a garbage bag in a way. It doesn't come with a paper. Okay, so here is the sneakers. As you guys can see, it's so good. Going to the upper of the shoe, it's mainly made out of nubuck and also different hints of mesh and also plastic. And the color of it, it's not just plain gray. It has a different hints of and shades of gray. So as you can see here on the laces, it's a bit charcoal, and also here on the mesh part of it. And also on the inner part of the shoe, it has a different hint of gray. Guys, going to the tongue of the shoe, you'll see this Flight logo. And the Flight text is in yellow. And also you can see this hints of yellow on the back of the tongue, which says Air Jordan. Moving on to the back of the shoe, you can see this Air Jordan logo in chrome, the Jumpman logo. And also I love this pull tab because it's nubuck. It's not plastic material, so it won't break. Going to the midsole of the shoe, it has this black and white color paint. And also it has this yellow Air Max unit, which I really love. Now going on the outsole of the shoe, you can see this Jumpman logo in yellow and also a hint of yellow here on your toe. And a combination of white, yellow, and black, which is really good. I love this. And also the majority part of the outsole is black, which makes it easier to maintain. Now guys, if you're planning to cop a pair, I still recommend you to buy true to size. Mainly because if you're planning to do some loose lacing on Jordan 4s and also Jordan 3s, it's still better if you don't have some wiggle on your foot. But if you're having doubts, it's still better to just try it on first on a nearby sneaker shop around your area. So guys, take note, this one is still sitting online, so you still have the chance to cop this one, and it goes very well with jeans, man.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So guys, what do you think about this pair? Is it a cop or a drop? Let me know your thoughts down below. Put your comments down below, guys. And if you guys like this video, please hit that like button, the thumbs up button. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much. And also, I'll see you on the next one.